Hello guys, this is KA's. Welcome back. Time to working with logo motion graphics about CNN TV channel. Let's start. First, create a new project and create a new composition. Name it CNN logo motion. 5-second time duration and press OK. Then go to fit your screen auto and title actions area on. Press Ctrl plus R for ruler and then go to project, double click for import your logo. There's a lot of logo. Press S for scale up the logo. Move it here. And now press T for down the opacity and select again. Lock your layer. So deselect your layer and go to toolbars and select the pen tool, press comma for full screen and start your logo drawing from here. Okay, there is a little bit problem, you can check it. There is the point and there is another problem. And now time to create another line. Start from here okay, there is we have three lines. Select the between for making motion. Start from 1 second and go to setting and add trim paths option and go back to trim paths option, and this is the start and end point. Where is the between line? There is the middle line. Okay, open the option again, add the trim paths and go to trim paths option, change the end 0, stopwatch, go to 3 seconds and change it 100. So, and now select the layer 3 and change the size and change the color into red. Down the size a little bit, and there is a little problem. Select the convert vertex okay, and there is another one. Okay, then select the second layer. And what about the size of the red layer? 18 pixel, the color is red. Select the color, copy the code and go to select second layer, change it 18 pixels and paste the red color codes. So now I need one copy duplicate more. Ctrl D and down the size, change the color into little bit white, down the size into 6 pixel and then select the second layer, Ctrl D, 6 pixel and change the color a little bit bright like this. What is the color of this? Copy the code and select this one. Where is this one? Paste here. Okay, now time to make motion. There is the between line. Select the layer 1, a little bit change the size. Okay, there is the background of red. Now open the option and create a trim paths. Go to trim paths, change it 0. After 10 seconds, after 10 frames, stopwatch and go to 3 seconds. Play now. There is, and go back to layer 4, add trim paths and go to trim paths option, change it 0 and start this one from 20 frame. Go back to 3 seconds. Now play. And now time to make motion the second layer, red line. Open the option and create the trim paths, and then go to trim paths option and go to 10 frames, change 0 and go back to 3 seconds, change it to 100. And there is one more, create the trim paths, and there is a trim paths. Where is another layer? Go to here, there is 2 trim paths, there is 2 trim paths. Yeah, go to trim path 1 and change it 0 and start from frame 20 and go back to 3 seconds. Okay, now play. Time to making bright lighting like neon. Select the red layer, there is the red layer, and go to effects and press it. Search glow effect and copy this one, paste on another red line layer, paste here. Okay, one copy more for white line, one copy more for white line. There. Now I need one copy more for red. Copy this again and paste here. Ctrl Z. There is the red line, paste it here. Why the first red line is brighter than another one? There is 2 glow option. Delete this one and paste again. Okay, play now. This is about CNN without any plugins. And now select all of them and right click pre-compose CNN, press OK, and then Ctrl D for duplicate and turn on, press F4 for 3D switch, press shift and down this logo here. Okay, then press T for opacity, and I need a effect turbulent displays. There's turbulent displays. Like this. And now create a camera, 24mm, press OK, and then you can control your 3D camera from there. Zoom in, Okay, right click, creating new null object, and turn on 3D switch. Then parent link to camera, move your null object, parent link the camera to null object. Okay, then press R for rotation, come to second one, there is Y rotation, and go back to 3 seconds. Yeah, that's great. And then go back to position, stopwatch, play now. A little bit zoom out your project, then play again. Okay, this was about CNN logo motion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.